Hey gorgeous, if you like this video, give it a thick thumbs up and subscribe. To remove any tangles or knots when I'm washing my hair, I start off with detangling my wig by gently combing it. I am drenching my wig with some lukewarm water to prevent any frizz. I feel like I'm washing my blanket right now. Just to remove any excess dirt, I'll just let my wig soak in for about 20 minutes and I'll add a generous amount of shampoo. The water is so dirty, I'm just going to rinse that out. I'm going to wash my wig twice, so I start off with adding a generous amount of shampoo. Then I'm just going to wash more, especially my wig cap, because that's where my head goes. And then I'll just let that shampoo lather, and then I'll wash. I am removing any knots and tangles by gently combing the wig. I am rinsing the wig after the first shampoo wash. Now this will really look like I'm washing my blanket, still adding a generous amount of shampoo, and now I'm washing the hair gently in circular motions, starting from the bottom going up. You can use any products that you have to wash your wig. Right now, the products that I'm using are on the description box below. This is not a sponsored video. So the second wash really had a lot of lather, so I'm just drenching it out just to remove that extra soap. I'm now conditioning my hair using my conditioner. I'm just going to be adding a little bit because I will follow up with a mask. I am gonna leave it for about 20 minutes, then I'll rinse it out. I'll be using the Shea Moisture Hydration Mask. This leaves my hair feeling soft and smelling good. I'll be putting my wig in a plastic bag and leave it overnight. You can leave it for as long as you like, preferably an hour, and then you can rinse it out, and then I'll put it outside just to air dry. If you like this video, give it a thick thumbs up and subscribe.